The Puppet Wrap tool is a new addition to Illustrator CC 2018. This tool allows you to twist and distort parts of your artwork in real time simply by dragging. This tool is located here on the toolbar, which looks like a push pin. I have drawn a simple robot here using just the basic shapes. Now let's use the Puppet Wrap to tweak this robot. First you need to select the object, then choose the Puppet Wrap tool. You will notice the cursor changes to a shape of a push pin. Now what you need to do is just click on the place to add what is called control point or pins. These control points are the reference for movement. You have to use at least 3 pins on the object. So for this robot, I will place the control points on the joints like this elbow, shoulder, neck, etc. So take the cursor to the location, and when you see a little plus sign next to the pin, just click to add the control point. Now after adding all the control points, you need to move the cursor over the control point, and when the cursor changes to a pointer, just click and drag to tweak the shape. See how you can change the object in real time? You can also delete the control point by first selecting it and pressing delete on the keyboard. This way you can fine-tune the placement of points. So this tool can be very helpful when you want to animate your artwork. Have fun using it.